Okay, today we're talking about how to replace a porch light fixture. So here's a light fixture that we're going to be replacing today on the front porch of this house. You can see the entire bottom portion of the light fixture is missing, and the metal threaded socket that the light bulb screws into is also missing. So the first step in this process is to turn off the power first. Here's a new fixture that we're going to be replacing it with. Comes with the mounting hardware. There's the main body. You can buy these at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Walmart, online. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any vendor, brand, make, model, etc. So you can see all the parts and pieces it comes with. You can see your black hot wire, your white neutral wire, your ground wire. It even comes with the wire nuts, the mounting plate. Notice on the mounting plate, those long screws are adjustable. So depending on what type of surface you're mounting this light to, or how recessed the junction box is inside the wall, you can adjust those mounting screws in and out so that they properly meet up with the light fixture, and so you can tighten down those black round nuts when installing the fixture.
Wow.
These parts just simply screw together. So one thing to note, when I removed the old light fixture, you'll notice some of the paint on the siding peeled away. This is hardy board siding. This installation was done in the middle of winter here in Colorado. It was 5 degrees outside. So even if you cut around the silicone caulking to break the seal around the old light fixture, you still may get some paint removal when you go to remove the old light fixture or scrape off the old silicone caulking sealant. So just FYI. Now again, hardy board siding isn't the greatest, obviously. It's kind of like particle board, and they didn't prime it. They just sprayed some cheap paint on it, a thin layer, so that's part of the problem too. But anyways, you can see the mounting plate is installed. You can see the green ground screw that's attached to the mounting plate. And this isn't a metal box, it's a plastic box. And the reason why you'll notice we have 2 hot wires, 2 neutral wires, and 2 ground wires is you have power coming in for this light fixture, and then we have power going out to supply power to the light fixtures that are on the exterior corners of the garage. So here we've been wired up our wire connections. Remember, black to black, white to white, ground to ground. And for good measure, I also like to wrap electrical tape around my wire nut connections. And there's a finished product installed, turned on. You can see all we need to do is go back and touch up that blue paint.
Woo!
I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.